Good morning, students. Welcome to you in e-learning classes of Standard 7 is organized by Modern English School, Nevada. I myself, Repti Raman, mathematics teacher of Modern English School, New Area, Nevada. Students, today I shall discuss with you exterior angle and interior opposite angle of triangle. Chapter 15 Properties of Triangle. Students, in any triangle, let ABC be a triangle. ABC be a triangle. If side BC produce to D, then form an angle. This angle is called exterior angle. So in this figure, and angle A, angle B is opposite interior angle of exterior angle ACD. Angle ACD equal to exterior angle. Angle A and angle B interior opposite angle. Interior opposite angle. Now one theorem in a triangle in a triangle exterior in a triangle exterior angle is equal to in a triangle exterior angle is equal to two interior opposite angle. Two interior opposite angle. Exterior angle is equal to two interior opposite angle. Again draw a triangle ABC. Prove that angle AC equal to angle A and angle B. Students, let ABC be a triangle. Let ABC be a triangle in which angle ACD is an exterior angle. Students, let ABC be a triangle in which ACD is an exterior angle. Then to prove that angle ACD equal to angle A plus angle B. Suppose angle A is angle 1, angle B is angle 2, angle C is angle 3 and exterior angle ACD. Sorry, exterior angle ACD is angle 4. Proof. Angle 3 plus angle 4. Angle 3 plus angle 4 equal to 180 degree. Bilinear pair. Equation 1. Now, angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 equal to also 180 degree. Angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 equal to 180 degree by angle sum property. By angle sum property. It is equation 2. Students, take care. Both equations have equal right hand side, 180 degree, 180 degree. So from equation 1 and 2, from equation 1 and 2, from equation 1 and 2 equal to angle 3 plus angle 4. Angle 3 plus angle 4 equal to angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3. Angle 3 is cancelled. That implies angle 4 equal to angle 1 plus angle 2. That implies angle 4 equal to angle ACD. So angle ACD equal to angle 1 equal to angle A plus angle 2. Angle 2 equal to angle B. Understand and write it. Students, now I shall solve exercise 15b of chapter 15, properties of triangles. One question is written here, question number 2. In this question, in the figure given alongside, find the values of x and y. Angle ACD is an exterior angle. Exterior angle ACD equal to 130 degree. Angle AX, angle B 68 degree, and angle C by. So find the value of x and y. Angle A plus angle B. Angle A plus angle B equal to angle ACD. Equal to angle ACD. We know that exterior angle is equal to the two interior opposite angle. So by exterior angle property. Exterior angle property. Now that implies angle A equal to x plus angle B equal to 68 degree equal to angle ACD equal to 130 degree. That implies x equal to 130 degree minus 68 degree equal to 10 minus 8 2 degree and 12 minus 6 6. So 62 degree value of x. Now in triangle ABC, in triangle ABC, in triangle ABC, angle A plus angle B plus angle C equal to 180 degree. Why? To by angle sum property ASP. That implies angle A equal to angle X. So 68 degree. Sorry, 62 degree. X equal to 62 degree plus angle B equal to 68 degree and angle C equal to angle Y equal to 180 degree. (62 degree plus 68 degree equal to 130 degree plus Y equal to 180 degree. That implies Y equal to 180 degree plus 130 degree. Sorry, 130 plus by transposition chain into minus 130 degree equal to 50 degree answer. Understand and write it. Students, next question is question number 4. In this question, an exterior angle of a triangle is 110 degree and its interior opposite angles are in the ratio 2:3. Find the angles of the triangle. Let ABC be a triangle. A, B, C. Exterior angle is 110 degree. Its interior opposite angle, angle A and angle B. Let angle A equal to 2x and angle B equal to 3x. 2x, 3x. By exterior angle property, angle A plus angle B equal to angle ACD. By exterior angle property, angle A plus angle B equal to angle ACD by exterior angle property. That implies angle A is 2x plus B is 3x equal to 110 degree. That implies 2x plus 3x equal to 5x equal to 110 degree. Next step is x equal to 110 degree by 5 equal to 5 to the 10. Now 5 to the 10, 22 degree. So find angle A equal to 2x equal to 2 into 22 degree equal to 44 degree. One answer. Angle B equal to 3x. Angle B equal to 3x equal to 3 into 22 degree equal to 66 degree. Answer. Now in triangle ABC, angle A plus angle B plus angle C equal to 180 degree by angle sum property. That implies angle A equal to 44 degree, angle B equal to 66 degree, plus angle C equal to 180 degree. That implies angle C equal to 180 degree minus add it 6 plus 4, 10 of 0, carry 1, 6 plus 4, 10, 110 degree equal to 180 degree minus 110 degree equal to 70 degree. Understand and write it. Students, next question is question number 8. Today it is last question also. In this question, in figure given alongside x is to y equal to 2 is to 3 and angle ACD equal to 130 degree. Find the values of x, y and z. So x is to y equal to 2 is to 3. So let x equal to 2a and y equal to 3a. Angle x plus angle y, angle x plus angle y equal to 130 degree. By exterior property angle, exterior property angle, exterior angle property, sorry, EAP, exterior angle property. Now x plus y equal to 130 degree. X equal to 2a plus y equal to 3a equal to 130 degree. That implies 2a plus 3a equal to 5a equal to 130 degree. Next step is a equal to 130 degree by I. 5 to the 10 and 5 6 are 30. 26 degree. Now find angle A equal to by equal to 3a equal to 3 into 26 degree equal to 26 into 3 78 degree. One answer. Next, angle B equal to x equal to 2a, 2 into 26 degree, 26 to the 52 degree. Second answer. And angle C plus angle ACD, C plus ACD equal to 180 degree. Bilinear pair. That implies C equal to Z plus 130 degree equal to, find the value of C is here, equal to 180 degree. That implies angle C equal to, C means X, C means Z equal to 180 degree minus 130 degree equal to 50 degree. Answer. Value of y equal to 78 degree, value of x equal to 52 degree and value of c equal to 50 degree. Students, today your homework is solve exercise 15b. Thank you. That's all.